Hey guys, it's Big Smoke Khan here today. Today I'm doing a review on my BB gun. It's a real life BB gun. Not real, but it's plastic. I bought this at the shop. I'm doing a review of it and it's got very good personality. There's the hole for the shooting, the trigger, and a reloader. Also, you probably are thinking, how am I going to reload this if it's all empty, all the BB bullets? Well, I went to the shop the other day and bought these. BB bullets. I bought these. I bought some BB bullets. That was cool. So that was my review of BB bullets. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe. Bye.